abazaire engaro aha mukoro gw'okukwasa beegi b'ebikwato empabuhwezi babandi z'okusiima minisita w'ebyobwegyese Janet Museveni owatahire omu nshonga zaabo omu mwaka gw'2021 obwo ekitongole kyabo kya Gate of Hope kyabaire nikyenda kwibwa.
And we were in trouble several years ago.
Twali tuli mu buzibu akaira akahingwireho.
My wife Akiki,
mukazi wange Akiki,
turned to Mama Janet.
Akagenda hali Mama Janet.
And Mama Janet,
Mama Janet,
she intervened immediately. We can peacefully live our life in godliness in this country.
Nitusobora kuomera n'obusinge n'ombwaruhanga mu ihanga lino.
Praise God for Uganda.
Mukama asiimwe habwa Uganda.
Praise God for giving us peace and liberty.
We wrote a letter to Mama Janet requesting for the intervention, and she replied positively on our letter, and she appointed the Office of Anti-Corruption, Afande Nakalema, to intervene in our case. So in the end of the year 2021, the officers from Anti-Corruption Unit were sent to Kyenjojo district to do the investigation. And they confirmed that I and my husband, we are the founders of Gate of Home organization. So together with my husband, Peter, we are so grateful to the Minister of Education and Sports, the First Lady, Mama Janet, for the intervention.
Abaana Abataine kihwera aba batungira obukugu omu kubeija okubaziira n'endiijo myuga kandi baine amasiko ngu nihaza kubaho empinduka omu miturire yaabo.
This course that I have taken, carpentry course, you have not been paying any single coin. It was free of charge. I thank Papa Peter and Mama Honia, plus all the other Polish donors who have been supporting us in each and everything.
I'm so happy today because I'm finishing my studies as a hairdresser. I thank the Polish donors who helped me to pay the school fees, and I have managed to receive the package. And now I promise that the skills I've got here, I'm going to go and use them.
Mutendekirwe kirukumara.
And you are going out with a package.
Kandi nimugenda heru hamwe n'entanda.
You have something that you can do.
Oine kintu cyo kusobora kukora.
And most importantly, we taught you about God.
Kandi kukira byona twegesezeho ruhanga.
So live a life that you have been living here.
Yomero obwomeje obweno yomera hanu.
Be faithful.
Heba mwesigwa.
Omukoro gukirwaho abanyabutegetsi batari bamwe na bamwe nukwe kusiima empabuhwezi okuruga omu ihanga lya Poland ahabw'okukwatiraho abaana aba.
We are also grateful to the funders. Through them, God's work is being manifested. Thank you, thank you. When you educate the young people, you are actually developing the nation. I'm impressed by the various skills. I'm also impressed that these people who come here, actually they don't pay even a single penny. As a government, the work which we are supposed to be doing, you are doing it for us.
You're going out there.
Mugenda heru oku.
Living here as a sheep, you're going out there to find wolves.
Ngokomera kwawe hanu nkentama nogenda heru oku kutangatanga n'emyaga.
Are you also going to become a wolf?
Nogenda kufooka omwaga.
Or you're going to remain a sheep?
Eru nogenda kuguma ntama.
There is a lot out there.
Haliyo bingi aheru oku.
Please make sure that you go through all the temptations. Trust your God. Believe in your God. Pray to your God.
Abaana barikurenga 10 nibo baganyirwa mu ntebekanisa egi. Gasha kwa Daniel Bingana.